Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and analysis of the latest gear on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of tactical gloves, and let me tell you, we've got something special in store. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce you to what I believe is the best skateboard gloves currently available, the KEMIMOTO Tactical Gloves. These bad boys aren't just for skateboarding. They're versatile, rugged, and ready for anything. Crafted with precision and built to last, these gloves are engineered to meet the demands of extreme sports enthusiasts, tactical professionals, and outdoor adventurers alike. But what sets them apart from the competition? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk protection. The KEMIMOTO Tactical Gloves are equipped with a hard shield and palm pads, providing unparalleled impact resistance. Whether you're shredding on your skateboard or navigating rough terrain, these gloves have got you covered. And check this out, the fingertips of the thumb, index finger, and middle finger are touchscreen compatible. No more fumbling with your phone or GPS device mid-adventure. With these gloves, you can stay connected without skipping a beat. But durability is where these gloves truly shine. Constructed with double-stitch seams and reinforced synthetic leather, they're built to withstand the toughest conditions. Plus, the anti-slip mesh ensures a secure grip in any situation. And let's not forget about breathability. With 5 inclined rubber ventilation holes strategically placed at the finger joints. These gloves keep your hands cool and comfortable, even during the most intense sessions. So there you have it, folks. The KEMIMOTO Tactical Gloves. Whether you're hitting the skate park, embarking on a wilderness adventure, or honing your tactical skills, these gloves are the perfect companion. Don't settle for anything less than the best. Upgrade your gear with KEMIMOTO today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews just like this one. Until next time, stay safe, stay stylish, and keep adventuring.